The first step says change the theme to integral and widen the column A to 80 pixels and column B to H to 110 pixels. So okay, we're going to the page layout and the themes. And then we go to integral. And then we're going to widen A to 80 pixels. And then B to H to 110. style. We go here and then style filter. Then The second step says insert a new row 6 with a row title is and the following sales figures for each quarter. So we're going to insert a new row. So they gave us the numbers that we must insert on the new row. So you're going to click here on 6. You click here, it will be like this. So to insert a new row, you're going to press Alt on your keyboard and I, like this. I, and then it will be like this, right? R. You see, you have inserted your new row. They say it's east. 1509363, 15 tab 1680 84, 53 171328, 50. The next one is 170626, 22. So we're going to copy down the formula from here. Okay, so the next step says to the computed percentages, apply percent style with 2 decimal places and then center the percentages. No. Okay, we are going to this step. It says using absolute set references as necessary so that we can copy the formula. In cell G4, construct a formula to calculate the percent of total sales for the first region. Copy the formula down for the remaining regions. So they're talking about the cell G4 is here. We are going to click the equal sign, and then there's F4, and then click on the division sign, and then the total F8. It will be like this. So you're going to click on your keyboard F4, then it will be like this. Then you're going to press enter. So it will be like this one. So they say we have to apply the percentage, and then with 2 decimal places, so you're going to click on the percentages. It will be like this one. Okay, no, before you click on the percentages, you have to copy the formula down. Yeah, and then after copying the formula down, you go to click on the percentages. And then it will be like this. Next, we're going to apply the center formatting style. Then it have to be like this one. So the next step, it says we should insert the line spark lines in the range H4, H7. So we're going to click like this one. Then we go to insert the line spark lines. We go here. So our line spark line have to be between B4 and E7. Our data range. It have to be B4 is to E7. Then okay. So they say we should change the color of the spark lines. Then we go here, and then they say we should format it with the spark line style accent true darker 25%. This is the color. You click here, and then you are done with this step. Then the next step says select the range that represent the sale figures for the 4 quarter, including the quarter names and each region. Do not include any totals in the range. With command insert a clustered column chart with the regions as the category axis and the quarters as the legends. Okay, so we have to insert the recommended chart here. So you're going to click like this in order to insert your recommended chart. They say we must not include the totals. Then you go to insert the recommended chart. So this is the chart that you have to include, to insert. The axis and the quarters as the legend. yeah, this is the chart that you have to insert. Then I'm going to click OK. If there is the second chat, so you have to insert the second chat, then it's okay. Then they say we have to apply text style 8 and colorful position to the chat so that its super left corner align with the super upper left corner of cell B10. So we're going to change the chat design. You go here on the chat design. They say number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the style that you have to insert, style 8. And the colorful position 3. So we're going to change the colors. 1, 2, 3. Colorful palette 3. Yeah. This is the color that we have to use. So you have to move your chart from here to they say the top left corner must align with the cell B10. So you have to move the chart here to cell B10. Your chart have to be here. Then we are going to change the title. They say we have to change it to 2019 original sales restaurant. Chicken man. And then you deselect the chart and change the page orientation to landscape. Center the worksheet horizontally on the page, and then insert a footer with a file name. Elements in the left section, if necessary, return the worksheet to normal view. So we have deselected the chart. Then we are going to page layout. They say we have to change the page orientation to landscape. And then the margins, so we have to center the worksheet horizontally. So we're going to click here and then OK. From there we go to the page layout. Here is the page layout. So we're going to click here and then here. After clicking here, we're going to change the when you see this worksheet, the worksheet here is on the header, so we have to insert the footer, right? So we don't want to insert the header, but we want to insert the footer, so we're going to click here, go to the footer, so and then insert the file name. Here is your file name, so you have to click below this to insert your file name, right? So this is your file name. Then we're going to return to the normal view. We click here. So we are done. That was the last step. So we have to save and close the document and submit the file as directed. So we save the file and we're going to submit. Save.